Hello you guys and happy Vlogmas. I'm about to give Crew a bath. He's in the bathtub. I'm about to give him a quick bath. And I have this blow dryer right here. I gotta get his towel out. Camden is downstairs watching Coco Melon. Where is his towel? Oh, right here. Cam's downstairs watching Coco Melon. Taylor is at school. She stressed me out so bad this morning. She stressed me out this morning. Like, Taylor is as sweet as pie, but she is very, particular about her clothes and her hair and stuff. And so if I take out some clothes or something that she doesn't want to wear, she's gonna lose, like, she'll start crying uncontrollably. So if y'all don't know, let me show y'all. Come on, let me show you something. So in her room this year, because I know my child, I am all about being proactive and making sure, like, she's good. So we created this little cubby system. I got this from Big Lots, and I had a poster with days of the week. I just cut the days out and put them here. Today's Wednesday, so her clothes aren't there, and then the other days her clothes aren't there. But yeah, so we take her clothes out. They're already in her little cubby, so then she doesn't have to worry about, like, not knowing what to wear. Her teacher emails us last night at like 8:00 p.m. and was like, we're wearing red and black tomorrow, or not red and black, red and green for Christmas to kick off the Christmas holiday. So of course, her knowing that, she got upset. So I went and found her red Converse that I purchased earlier this year because she had to wear red to school. And then back in probably this summer, I found these Christmas masks at 7-Eleven, and I bought her a whole bunch so she would be ready for the Christmas holiday. So I took out a red one and I said, you could wear your red shoes. I said, try on the red shoes, Taylor, make sure you can still fit them. She didn't try them on. So this morning, and if y'all can hear, I'm sick. Like, I'm congested. It's so bad. Like, right here in my nose, my head, like, I haven't been sleeping because it wakes me up at night. The post-nasal drip is like going down my throat. Last night was better because I took some medicine, but I woke up and I was sick, and she's in here crying and was like, but I have a green dress. Here's the green dress. I'm like, Taylor, you're not wearing this green dress with red tights. Like, you don't even have the red tights that she had. Those are too small. This dress, I'm like, it's not long sleeve. You're gonna be cold. Like, what stockings are you gonna wear? Like, what are you gonna wear under it? I was like, just put on what you had out. She actually had out a black sweatsuit similar to what I have on. I'm like, you can wear that with your red sneakers and a little red and green mask, like you have on red and green. She wanted her whole outfit to be red and green. I said, Taylor, you're not gonna go out here looking like a Christmas tree. Like, do you really think the whole class is gonna be a Christmas tree today? No. The lady sent the email at 10 p.m., 8 p.m. It's too late. Some parents probably didn't even see the email. So I had to deal with all that this morning, and the crying, the tears, and it just stresses me out. So that was my morning. So now I'm about to give Crew a bath. And he's over here crying because he's like, why did mommy leave me in this bathtub? Come here, Crew. He's like, why did mama leave me in this bathtub and walk away? Right, Crew? He needs a haircut. He's getting one December 8th. But I can't wait until December 8th for him to take a bath, because my senses are very much strong right now. And baby, no, we're not gonna go with that. So I'm about to get him a bath. He's so cute. You ready? You ready? Let's take your little chain off. Cute, y'all. Y'all see it? Y'all can't. I don't think y'all can see it. It says his name. Stop crying. We're gonna take a bath. I know you want to get out. This is the soap that we use for him. Are you ready to take a bath? Are you? back in there. Y'all, I'm gonna be back once I'm done with him because I don't know where to set this and I don't want to run my camera. Come here, boo-boo. Crew. Come here, boo-boo. Come here. All right, y'all, I'm detangling his hair. Can't leave that alone. Lord. Crew, this little ear, honey, is very much matted. Done, crew. Yo, he's awesome. Crew. Hi, baby.
No, do
Hi. He is done. Leave him alone. Stop. Good boy. You wanna go give him a treat, Cam?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eat. But
He's still a little damp. But y'all see little teddy bear Crew? He needs a haircut. You look so cute, though. You still look so cute. Now you can cuddle with mommy. You smell good. Okay? 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 Crew. Crew. Are you all clean? Alright, now I have to, hold on. Okay, now I have to clean the tub out. So I just cleaned the dog in it. And then I'll be done with this task. Have you guys ever tried this trick? Like one of these? You just open it up. And you put your cleaning supply inside this part.
hi.
Alright, I just put the cleaner in there. Shake it up. I added some water. Move, Cam. I added some water in there too. So I'm just gonna take it and clean the tub. Watch out, Crew. Oh, and FYI, I got these from Dollar Tree. I just pick up a whole bunch when I go there. And they're very helpful. So, love these. Oh, and check out how clean. Nice and clean. Alright, you guys. I'm in. I don't know what that is on my coat. Just disregard it. I'm in the parent pickup line waiting for Taylor. I like to be like one of the first few cars here. Don't ask why. I don't know. I think I like sitting in the car anyway. And then Cam also takes a nap in the car. So it's like perfect win-win. So sometimes I just sit in here and work my business, or I'll take a nap or I'll go live on Instagram, If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. Someone said to me they felt like they didn't get to watch Camden grow up the way in comparison to Taylor. No, they didn't. But I was like, I showed him growing up on Instagram. I know it's not the same for you YouTube lovers though, so I apologize for depriving you guys of Camden's childhood. He's still a child, but his babyhood. My stinkums. I know I should move his head, but he's alright. I promise. I promise he's alright. I'm gonna lift it up in a second. I just talked to someone on the phone. They were like, I'm so excited you're having another baby. So I feel fine. I have been congested lately. Like this morning was rough. I told y'all that already. I didn't take any Mucinex today though, so that should be a good thing, because that means I'm not feeling too bad, or I would have known. I wouldn't have forgotten to take it. So yeah, I guess I'm about to do some work myself. I am a little sleepy. What time is it? It's 3:20. I think I'm gonna rest my eyes for 20 minutes actually with Camden. But I will talk to you guys when Taylor gets in the car. What happened? Cam, your drink is in the door. Get it.
Hi. Hey. No, that's yours. Hey, Mom. Hi. Just say hi. Hi. Wait. Today we're gonna vlog since it's the first day of December, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
What's Daddy? He's at work. He's at work. Oh, he helped Daddy at work. Actually, when at school today, I think they was vlogging without me. I was at school actually. Got some smoothie. Yeah, did we get some smoothie? I know.
What?
He's so crazy.
Get your drink, buddy. Are you showing them your personality?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, what is your personality?
Being yourself, being comfortable. Come out this way, buddy.
My mom braided my hair.
Where your jacket? In your book bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
My mom braided my hair and...
Cam, why you do that?
That was weird.
Go hang up your coat, please.
Okay. Be right back. Mom, very good. Hey, Mom, I made this for Miss Clark. I made this for Miss Clark. I forgot to give it to her today.
Okay, you can put it in your book bag.
Yeah. A, B, C.
Alright, we're back home. Taylor needs to do her homework, so Taylor, you get your folder out.
Wait, whoa. Remember I don't have folder?
You do have your folder in your book bag. I have to sign it.
Oh yeah, I have another one. Oh, so it's my third one.
Camden.
What is it?
What's that?
I
Toys?
Toys.
You like toys? What is that? Dragon. I'm about to do her home. Well, not do her homework, but help her with homework. And talk to y'all later.
So guys, we put up our Christmas tree. Wait, can it see? We put up our Christmas tree. My mom broke the star, actually. And my brother was watching this dinosaur movie that is his favorite, I guess. And she kind of did the Christmas stuff without me. These are my pictures that I did. This is when I was in ballet. This is when it was Kim's birthday. Take a picture of my mom, twins, actually. Take a picture of my brother on the bench. Mom picking up Cam. Me will have my hair down like ugly shirt. And Dad at the park with Cam. Actually, Mom, huh? Oh, I want some cereal. So, and guess what? I'm about to turn 7.
Girl.
I'm about to. I'm almost actually gonna turn 7 actually. I'm almost, Mom. And since it's almost Christmas and oh, I forgot. It's the first day of December, which means I get to do that. I get to do this. See this right here? I'm holding this. Focus.
Does something feel a little prickly?
And I actually put it in here since it's the first day of December, and I get to 25. Then guess what, guys? It's Christmas.
So you want frosted flakes?
Yeah, guys, I'm actually about to make a gingerbread girl. I want to show you it because I didn't finish, but it's in the milk. So I can't. I didn't want.
You want milk?
No.
So you ain't say that.
You got it with milk? Oh.
I didn't put milk in here, so.
That's what I
So take a chill.